Hello and welcome to this HPS English short video on how to use commas. We're going to start with the first way, which is listing 3 or more items. So for example, I bought apples, comma, grapes, and pears. Secondly, to introduce and separate an introductory phrase. So for example, meanwhile, comma, Cassie was searching the building. Thirdly, to add additional information to a sentence. For example, Cassie, who was small for her age, was the scariest bully in school. You can see that who was small for her age is additional information that's not needed for the rest of the sentence to make sense. So if I took out that information, it would say Cassie was the scariest bully in school. Therefore, because that is extra information, we put commas around it, as you can see here and here. Last is to separate main and subordinate clauses. So, a main clause is one complete idea. For example, I have a cat. It's one idea, it's a simple sentence, it's a main clause. If I had extra information, then I have a main clause and a subordinate clause. So for example, as of yesterday, comma, I have a cat. So Now we have our main clause, which is still, I have a cat, but we've added a subordinate clause, which is as of yesterday. As of yesterday is not a complete thought because we need additional information for it to make sense, which is how we know it's a subordinate clause. And we separate both the subordinate clause and the main clause with a comma. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on how to use commas correctly. Have a go for yourself in your writing, trying out the activities in the lesson, and hopefully you'll see a massive improvement in your work. Bye!